Every project starts with the right tools. This clip is for demonstration only and is not sponsored by any brand. Every tool here has been purchased with our own hard-earned money. In this video, we'll introduce each one and give you a quick overview. Great tools don't just make work easier. They improve accuracy, save time, and help every engineer achieve professional results. First up, let's unbox the helping hand. It's securely packed in bubble wrap to protect it during shipping. Now, let's remove the packaging and check it out. Now, let's attach all the included parts. Once everything is assembled, I'll explain each feature and show you how it works. The first feature is its adjustable magnifying glass. You can position it however you like, and the built-in LED light can be switched on whenever you need better visibility. Now, let's check the light again. Switch on. Look how bright and clear it is. Next is the tray for keeping tiny, small circuits and components organized. The helping arms can slide into the perfect position for your work. The third hand will securely grip your PCB. Simply tighten the screw, making soldering and assembly much easier. It also includes a soldering iron stand for safe and easy placement. You've already seen this tool in many of our soldering projects. It's an essential tool for PCB work, and while more advanced helping hands are available, this one offers excellent value for most electronics projects. Now it's time for the soldering iron. It's a premium tool, so let's plug it in and see how it performs. This soldering iron features adjustable temperature control. I've set it to 347 degrees Celsius, and as you can see, it automatically heats up and stabilizes at the selected temperature. One of its best features is the fast heating. It reaches the set temperature almost instantly, so you can start soldering without waiting. It also comes with an additional heating rod, as you can see here. It also includes another soldering iron with adjustable temperature control. The final tool is an SMT soldering iron with a super thin tip for detailed soldering. Next up is the circuit mastermind, the Multimeter. It's an essential tool for testing components, checking continuity, and diagnosing faults, making circuit troubleshooting fast, accurate, and reliable. As shown here, the meter is displaying the measurement accurately. You can also choose premium multimeters with more advanced features, shown on screen. Next, we have precision tweezers that let you bend and fold component leads quickly, neatly, and with complete control. Now, let's bring in the digital microscope. It magnifies tiny solder joints on the PCB with incredible clarity, making inspection and precision work much easier. Now, this multi-bit screwdriver is one of my favorite tools in the kit. It comes with a wide range of screwdriver bits that are useful for almost every repair or electronics project. The best part is its magnetic holder, which keeps every bit firmly in place, so it won't slip out while you're working. As soon as the bit is inserted, the magnetic holder locks it securely in place. We even tested it with different bits, and everyone fits perfectly. Whether it's a small screw or a different screw head, changing bits is quick and easy, making every repair smooth and hassle-free. The screwdriver definitely impressed us. Now, let's check out the next tool. We have 4 different types of pliers, and each one has a unique purpose. One cuts the wire completely, another removes only the PVC insulation, while the third strips the wire to expose the metal core. Every plier is designed for a specific job, making electrical work much easier. We've covered the essential tools we use in almost every electronics project. There are many more, but these are our daily essentials. If this video helped you, share it with other engineers, drop a comment, hit like, subscribe, and goodbye, engineers.